Is the Texas weather discussion video for Tuesday, the 2nd of October. I'm Donovan Neal. Our warm and humid pattern for the rest of this weekend, for the rest of this week, will stick around for pretty much the entire week as an upper high pretty much gets stronger and stronger over the course of this week. So let's take a look at our upper air look across the nation, across the country. Of course, the main mid-latitude westerlies are up north. We have that main upper high just to in our area that's basically causing our dry conditions here. And with that, we'll mention no chances of rain with highs mostly in the upper 80s this week. Take a look across watch warning map. We have flash flood watches in effect for parts of Arizona, Utah, and some of the adjacent states with tropical storm with tropical storm moving up to the north. That could very well affect that area in terms of rain. On the convective outlooks, we have a standard slight risk of severe storms for areas to the northeast, mostly Pennsylvania and parts of New York State. On day 2, we have standard slight risk in effect for parts of the Midwest near the Corn Belt, and also down into parts of Arizona, where they could see small isolated tornadoes in relation to Tropical Storm Rosa as that moves on shore and moves on to land. And that day 3, we remain pretty dry and quiet. Take a look at the average rainfall for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Heavier totals remain up to the north, with the surface boundary coming through, and down here in North Texas, around half an inch of rain or more or greater the further northwest you go across North Texas. And again, that's anything that we see this weekend and into early parts of next week. And again, I think a good chunk of this week the work week will remain dry. On the tropics, we only have one named storm. That's only Tropical Storm Leslie. That's expected to just meander in the central Atlantic. It's at 65. Might become a hurricane later today, but it ultimately does not affect any land masses at all. So let's go on to the model output. This is the 06Z run to the GFS, followed this afternoon at 1 o'clock. You can see we still have our upper high down here in the deep south, and down here the GFS does show the idea of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, but with the upper ridge, not really worth mentioning. Highs will be in the upper 80s today. Same thing on Wednesday. Same thing Thursday, and pretty much the same deal on Friday. We'll mention the chance of highs in the upper 80s mostly, a mix in sun and clouds, and lows in the low 70s. Not much changing for the work week. So this is Saturday. Surface front starts to approach our area. We'll mention the chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon hours. Highs will be in the mid 80s by that point. And here's Sunday. That that storm system really approaches our area, and that's when we'll mention our chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs will be in the low 80s by that point. And here's Monday. It's still raining. In fact, we'll maybe increase the chances of showers and thunderstorms by that point on Monday. Highs will be in the low 80s, again with a mix of sun and clouds. And here's a week from today, Tuesday the 9th of October. We have a trough off to our northeast, off to our northwest. Big dynamic support for our area. And that could be a potential severe weather look with that dynamic support and the amount of moisture and instability in our area. But again, it's a week away, and we'll just worry about that with time. This is the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Thursday the 11th. We can see you still have that trough to our northwest, and down here we remain dry from that. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days coming off the GFS ensemble, we are mild, warm, and humid are the main words for for this work week. And after that, once that cold front comes through, highs will revert back to the low 80s, and then after that, hopefully, we'll bring another cold front, which will drop us to the low 70s by the middle of this month. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll morning in the blog. Next video here hopefully should be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.